We started out with Wi-Fi in the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum, and then that got completely saturated. So we moved up to 5 gigahertz, which allowed us to have a higher bandwidth as long as we kept distances relatively short. And then we clogged that spectrum up. And then we came up with technology that allowed us to automatically switch between the two to decide whichever one had less people on it. So what do we do now? Well, Wi-Fi 6E is so important because finally we're jumping to a new spectrum, 6 gigahertz. And as you probably guess, that means more bandwidth at an even shorter distance than 5 gigahertz. But the higher bandwidth is good and all. The most important part about that is that when this new technology arrives in more devices, it already is in a couple of phones and computers, no one's going to be on it. And if no one's on it, that spectrum is completely freed up. And you can actually finally get those speeds, or at least close to the speeds, that the manufacturers put in their advertisements.